Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a fantastic option for anyone starting their musical journey, especially younger players or those looking for something portable and easy to use. This is the Wallfront 37-key electric keyboard piano, designed as an educational musical instrument perfect for beginners. Right away, one of the most appealing aspects of this keyboard is its portability. It features a compact size that makes it incredibly easy to move around, whether you're taking it from room to room or packing it up for a trip. Powering it is just as flexible. It offers a dual power supply system, meaning it can be charged via USB or it can run on three 1.5 VAA batteries. This dual option is super convenient, allowing for use virtually anywhere, indoors or out. Plus, it can even share power with a mobile phone adapter, which is a neat little bonus for on-the-go power. A really fun addition is the included microphone. This allows users to sing along while they play, adding another layer of engagement and creativity. For those who want to capture their musical moments, the keyboard also has a recording function. This feature lets beginners record their own voice and playing at any time, which is great for practicing, tracking progress, or just having fun creating simple tracks. Despite its compact size and beginner focus, this electric piano comes equipped with a good range of features to explore. It offers 8 different tones, allowing players to experiment with various instrument sounds. There are also 6 demo songs built in, which can be great for listening or playing along with. To help with rhythm and timing, it includes 5 different rhythms and 5 percussion sounds. All of these features, including the overall volume, are adjustable, giving the user control over their sound. The construction of the keyboard is also worth noting, particularly for its intended audience. It's made from materials designed with safety in mind, featuring smooth edges to help prevent any finger injuries, which is reassuring for parents. As mentioned, it's easily powered by either AA batteries or USB, reinforcing its suitability for both indoor practice and outdoor fun. Ultimately, this 37-key electric keyboard is presented as a wonderful musical intelligence toy. It's specifically aimed at cultivating brain consciousness and musical aptitude in beginners, making it an excellent tool for introducing the fundamentals of piano playing and music theory in an accessible way. Its combination of portability, versatile power options, interactive features like the microphone and recording, and a good selection of tones and rhythms makes it a solid choice for boys and girls, or really any beginner looking for a simple, engaging entry point into the world of music. It provides a fun and safe platform for learning and creativity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.